Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope so that you are fine and enjoying good health. So today I'm going to explain the topic for class 6 is HCF. So here are two methods for solving the sum, like we have the division method and the prime factorization method. First of all, we will solve this question by prime factorization method. Here are three values. We have 27, 36 and 45. So 27, we will divide first this value. Smallest factor of 27 is 3. So it will be divided by 3, 3 9 the 27. Then 3 3 the 9 and 3 1 the 3. After that we have 36 and the smallest factor of 36 is 2. So 18 to the 36, 2 9 the 18, 3 3 the 9 and then 3 1 the 3. After that we have the third value, and third value is 45, and the smallest factor of 45 is 3, 3 15 the 45, then 5 3 the 15 and 5 1 the 5. So 45 have the factors 3, 3 and 5. After that we will write the values, all the factors front of them, like 27 have the 3 3 and 3, 3 times 3 factors, and then 36 has the 2 2 3 3, mean 2 time 2 and 3 time 3, and 45 have the 2 time 3 and 1 time 5 factor. So now you can choose the common factors among all these values. So first of all we will see that 2 times 3 is common in all the three values. So 3 3 the 9 is the HCF. After that we will solve this question by division method. So we have three values, 399, 665 and 1463. So first of all you will take the two values 665 and 1463. So as you can take any value, just like I am taking here 665 and 399. I will just put the 665 under the division math sign and divided by 399. 399 on the 399. Okay, 665 minus 399 is equals remainder is 266. Now you will have to put 399 and divide by 266, and 266 on the 266 and remainder is 133. Now you can put 266 in the division sign, and it will be divided by 133. So 133 to the 266. So it has totally divided by 133. So there is no remainder here. So now you will have to take the last value 1463, and you have to solve it by using the value 133. So you can write here 1463 and 133 on the 133, 11463 minus 133. So you will find here the remainder 133. 133 on the 133. Again it means it is divided by fully divided by 133, so the remainder, or so you can say that there is no remainder here, and 133 is the HCF. So thank you so much for watching the video.